Hey, what I have here is a portable power inverter. It's 350 watts, so keep that in mind. You get two plugs. But what's slick about it is compatible with the DeWalt 20-volt batteries. So you're going to be able to get 120 AC from DC batteries. So that's what an inverter does. So you can select AC, or you can still do DC with the buttons here. But other thing I did, I don't know if you know this, I've got extended range. Look at that. Extended range, 8 amp hour, 20 volt lithium batteries. And I thought that that would make a really long life, for use like all day or into the night, power inverter. So if we just come here, we turn this on, you get a digital meter. Let me just show you up here. You get a digital readout like that. And then you can go to AC, DC. You got two type C's here, also two USB-A's. Like I said, two plugs for your 120 volts. Another cool thing is the light on the back. 3 settings. Gets pretty bright. Also has a red flasher in case you got yourself an emergency. Also does an RGB color display, red, green, blue. For the heck of it, I don't know why you would need that, but it does. So one other feature that it has. Just remember, it's only 35 watts, very portable. And, if you don't have any, these extended range 8 amps are pretty slick. I mean, take a look at those. It puts some weight on it, but it also gets it up in the air, off the ground, so to speak. And I just think it's just an awesome, awesome way to have some AC, not tied to your car. It's portable. Take it wherever you need to, your job site, especially if you already got 20-volt DeWalt-style batteries anyway for your tools. Why not have an extra power supply when you need it that isn't clipped to your car battery, your cigarette lighter, that kind of thing. All right, check it out.